What's up guys, this is King XF and welcome back to another video. So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Razer Kraken 7.1 Chroma V2. Now I've been pretty psyched for this because I've been using earbuds for quite some time now, and this is going to be a really different sensation. So let's go ahead and open the box up. So the box looks like this on the front, and these two sides have the word Razer on it. This side has just some random stuff. This top has this. The back has the product info. And if we're gonna open it up, you'll get this. You see this? It says, "Welcome to the cult of Razer." Let me get that aside first. And here we have the headset itself. Looks pretty durable. And some product info and a note from the CEO of Razer. And there's nothing else in the box besides this. And no Razer stickers this time, which is kind of a bummer. Okay, my bad. There actually are Razer stickers, but they're just at the back of the product manual, as you can see here. Now this headset does have RGB lighting on the two Razer logos on the sides here and here, which is really kind of stupid, but hey, it matches my setup, so it's worth it. And like all Razer products, there is a nice and braided cable. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it's there. And another thing about this headset is that it plugs in via USB. I'm not too surprised as it's 2018 and USB has become the industry standard. The mic on this headset is also retractable and bendable, so you can adjust it to whatever angle you like. And when you're not using it, you can simply just put it back in like this instead of like this, which looks really ugly. Now plugging it into the computer, the lights turn on and you're ready to go. So now I'm gonna put my headset on so I can tell you guys how it feels. Okay, wow. This headset is really comfortable. The ear cushions are just amazing. It feels like a pillow from the heavens. The only downside is that it's a bit heavy, but I think I'll get used to it afterwards. I'm now going to give you guys a little mic test, so I'm going to just switch over to my webcam and I'll see you there. Okay guys, I switched over to my webcam now, which is shooting at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Anyway, the mic sounds like this. It's quite crisp and clear, and it's not too loud. I really like it. And now switching back to the main camera. Now, the Razer Kraken 7.1 Chroma V2 has only 3 lighting effects. There's your classic spectrum cycling, there's your static effect, and there's your breathing effect. Some pros of this headset is that it's very comfortable. The ear cushions are nice and deep, so that's a real plus. And I also like that the mic is bendable and retractable, and it's quite clear too. And then the RGB lighting is quite pronounced, even though you can't see it, but it's still good. Okay, con number 1. The headset itself, it's a bit heavy, so it might take a while to get used to it. And con number 2, the Razer Kraken 7.1 Chroma V2 isn't compatible with Razer Synapse 3, which is Razer's latest software. It still uses 2, so the lighting can't be synced with my keyboard, my mouse, and my mouse pad. It may seem like no big deal, but I have OCD, so it is a big deal for me. And then lastly, con number 3. If I'm using my headset, it's like this way. But the cable here is blocking my keyboard and my computer is over there to the right. So it really is kind of a distraction, and the cable isn't really too long either. So I kind of wish that the cable was on the right side of the headset. But for some people, it's good on the left as their computer's on the left. Overall, the Razer Kraken 7.1 Chroma V2 really is a great headset. There are a few cons, yeah, but the pros make up for it. Now thank you guys for watching, hope y'all enjoyed. If you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up to show support. And if you dislike it, you know what to do. And please definitely subscribe and turn notifications on as I have more videos in the future. This has been King XF, and I'll see y'all next time.